Unlocking the phrase, hold court, a journey into language. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, hold court. Have you ever heard someone say it? It's a phrase that conjures up images of kings and queens, but it's used in modern English in a rather intriguing way. Let's explore together what it means to hold court in everyday conversation. Hold court has a regal origin. In the past, to hold court meant that a monarch or noble was ready to receive visitors, listen to their requests, or entertain them. Picture a king or queen sitting on their throne, with subjects and courtiers gathered around. It was a formal event steeped in power and ceremony. In contemporary language, when someone holds court, they command the attention of those around them. It's as if they're the star of their own show, with an audience captivated by their stories, jokes, or charisma. It's not about royalty anymore. It's about being the center of attention in a social setting. Let's see how this works in real life. Imagine a person at a party who's surrounded by a group of people, all laughing and listening to their tales. That person is holding court. They're not just participating in the conversation. They're leading it, much like a monarch of old. Using hold court in a sentence is simple. You might say, at the family reunion, my grandfather held court, recounting tales of his childhood. It's a versatile phrase that adds a touch of drama and personality to a story. And there you have it. Now you know what it means to hold court. It's all about captivating an audience in any social scene. I hope you found this video enlightening and that you'll feel like royalty the next time you hold court in a conversation. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time for more insights into the English language.